Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ML Pathway. My name is Tim, and today I'm gonna show you a simple example of multi-class classification using TensorFlow, and I'll be using toy dataset from TensorFlow. It will be Fashion MNIST from TensorFlow. Here it is. You can find it at tensorflow.org website, and here is the link to GitHub where you can find more information about these datasets. Here it is. I'm going to use Google Colab to solve that problem, and we have this plan for this video. First of all, I'm going to get data and split it to train and test data. After that, I'm going to perform some exploration and visualize the data. After that, create classification model with TensorFlow, and after that, evaluate our model. So let's go. First, import TensorFlow and our dataset. After that, load data and create test and train data sets. Here it is, our datasets created. Now we can perform some exploration of our data. First of all, we need to look at the first row of our train dataset. Here it is. It's an array with int values in it. What's the shape of our train data? Here it is. We have 60,000 rows in our dataset with the shape 28 to 28. And Y train has only 60,000 rows. Okay. What's the shape of the first row of our dataset? 28 to 28. Okay. So let's see what is the maximum value of our dataset. This information will be using during our model training to perform min-max scaling, to normalize our data. Here it is. Here is the maximum values of our train and test dataset. It's 255. After that, we'll create a list of our categories. Here it is. Here is our labels from 0 to 9 with the description. I created simple list. Now we can visualize our images using matplotlib. First of all, we need to import matplotlib, then set image index, for example 2, and using function imshow we'll visualize the second image in our dataset. Here it is. It's t-shirt. Try another example. It's dress. Go ahead. And now we can plot multiple random images using random and 4 subplots. Here it is. Bag, pullover, sandal. rerun this cell and look at another images. Here it is. It's look great. Then now we can create our classification model using TensorFlow. First of all, we need to set random seed. After that, we'll create our model with 5 layers in it. First layer, it will be rescaling layer. We found the maximum value of our datasets. It is 255. So we can rescale our data with scaling 1 to 555. In that layer, we are performing normalization of our data. Second layer, it will be flatten. It flattens inputs to the next layer. Next 2 layers will be dense with 115 neurons in it and activation function ReLU. It's working layers. And the last layer with 10 neurons in it and activation function softmax. It will be final classification layer that will give us predictions. After that, we should compile the model using loss function sparse categorical cross entropy, optimizer Adam with learning rate 0.1 and metric accuracy. After that, we fit the model with our train data with 40 epochs and validation data. For validation purposes, I'll be using X-test and Y-test. Let's go. Here it is, our model learned, and now it's time to evaluate our model. We can see accuracy about 88%. Let's evaluate the model. First of all, we need to make prediction using our test data and take a look at the prediction. Here it is. We've got prediction with d-type float 32. For the next step, we need to get our data in integer form. So I'll use argmax function to that purpose. Here it is. I've got index of the maximum value in the array. Here it is. It's 9 for the first row in the prediction. After that, I'll create confusion matrix using scikit-learn confusion matrix and confusion matrix display. Here it is. Let's take a look to our confusion matrix. It's difficult to understand that confusion matrix, so it's better to plot it using confusion matrix display function. Here is confusion matrix and the work is done. I created model, performed some data exploration and plotted confusion matrix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.